Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the Lenovo LOQ 15 RTX 3050 gaming laptop, and before you make a choice on your next gaming machine, you absolutely need to watch this comprehensive review. We've done extensive research on this model and I'll make sure to leave a link to the best price in the description below, so you clicked on this video to learn about the Lenovo LOQ 15's price to performance ratio, real-world gaming capabilities, and whether it's the right choice for your needs. Let's dive right in and get started. The Lenovo LOQ 15 RTX 3050 stands out immediately with its exceptional value proposition at just $799.99, making it one of the most affordable entry points into modern PC gaming with dedicated ray tracing capabilities. This laptop packs an Intel Core i5-12450HX octa-core processor, which delivers remarkable performance for both gaming and productivity tasks. The 8-core configuration ensures smooth multitasking, allowing you to stream, game, and run background applications simultaneously without any noticeable slowdown. The star of the show is undoubtedly the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card, bringing real-time ray tracing and DLSS technology to budget-conscious gamers. This GPU can handle modern AAA titles at 1080p with respectable frame rates, typically achieving 60+ FPS in games like Fortnite, Valorant, and CS:GO at high settings. Moreover, the 144Hz refresh rate display perfectly complements the GPU's capabilities, ensuring buttery-smooth gameplay in competitive titles where every millisecond counts. Speaking of the display, the 1920x1080 FHD panel delivers crisp visuals with good color accuracy for gaming and content consumption. The 144Hz refresh rate is a game-changer for competitive gamers who demand instantaneous response times and fluid motion clarity. Additionally, the anti-glare coating reduces eye strain during extended gaming sessions, making it ideal for marathon gaming weekends. The memory configuration is particularly impressive for this price point. With 12 GB of cutting-edge DDR5 RAM, this laptop handles modern games and applications with ease. DDR5 technology provides significantly faster data transfer rates compared to previous generations, resulting in snappier system responsiveness and reduced loading times. Furthermore, the 512 GB SSD ensures lightning-fast boot times and game launches, with enough storage space for a decent library of games and applications. Target audiences for this machine include college students who need a versatile laptop for both coursework and gaming, entry-level content creators looking for NVIDIA's encoder capabilities, and budget-minded gamers wanting to experience modern PC gaming without breaking the bank. The combination of powerful specs and affordable pricing makes it an outstanding choice for these demographics. However, one notable downside some users may find limiting is the 512 GB storage capacity. With modern games often exceeding 100 GB, you might need to manage your installed titles carefully or invest in external storage. Additionally, while the RTX 3050 is capable, it may struggle with ray tracing enabled in the most demanding titles at high settings. The build quality feels solid with a sleek gaming aesthetic that isn't overly aggressive, making it suitable for professional environments. The keyboard offers comfortable typing with customizable RGB backlighting, and the trackpad is responsive enough for productivity tasks when you're away from your gaming mouse. Battery life during gaming is typical for this category at around 2 meters 3 hours, but you can extend it to 5 meters 6 hours for general productivity tasks. The laptop includes comprehensive connectivity options including USB-C, multiple USB-A ports, HDMI output, and Wi-Fi 6 support for lag-free online gaming. You got it. So, that's it for the best budget gaming laptop on the market for this year. Like this video if it helped you, comment below if you're gonna buy it or share your impressions, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews.